Ooh, it's super dark. I'm actually gonna see if I could record with the flash. Give me a second. This video that we're recording after we just did the like build breakdown and like what I would do differently, what I would do the same da-di-da video, last upload. This is the video about the intake. So I'll show you guys the intake that we have on currently. I'm just looking to see if I have the V-band, not V-band clamps, but the clamps. I should have them, like some 4-inch clamps, whether they be in here or not. I don't know where I put them. Yeah, I'll have to figure out where I put those. But the current intake setup we have, it's actually kind of funny. It is a intake elbow from a 650i, like a e36. So this is going to get taken off. We're going to put a 4-inch elb, 4-inch 90, then 4-inch pipe, then a filter. Super simple. I was going to do an LS1 like Corvette style intake, like the forward facing one that goes onto this, but since I'm not sure if I'm keeping the car, I'm just doing something temporary for now. And if it does sell, then at least I won't have to have like wasted like the, what do you call it, the time and effort and money into doing a setup like that. But yeah, super simple 4-inch intake that just goes right there and boom. But yeah, we just have to find the parts and wait for Amazon to deliver it. So it'll be like a half a second for you guys and however long it takes for them to get here for me. So give me a second. So the parts came in. Didn't know that. I've been waiting this whole time. So kind of annoying, but oh well. Oh, this actually looks huge. But yeah, so we have a 4-inch elbow, 4-inch intake tube, and a filter. So yeah, we're just gonna throw this thing on. It's pouring rain, so we're gonna have to probably just roll the car back a little, get it under the tarp, slap it on really quick, turn the car on, and then that's it. Super quick and simple video. It's gonna do a little more, but I'm not anymore because it's raining, and I am also planning to do a tune most likely this coming week or weekend. Most likely the weekend. I don't know what today's date is. It's December 10th, so like the 15th-ish or 16th, whichever is the Saturday. But yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, I was wondering, like, this thing looks really big. It says 4-inch inner diameter, and this thing is supposed to be 4-inch outer diameter, like the throttle body, but it's loose. So I'm confused as to what size this thing is, because yeah, like this thing, it goes on like it's tight, but ow, Jesus. But yeah, well then, I guess we have to unfortunately return this stuff and get something that's a little smaller or something. But that's super weird because it's bigger than 3.5, but it's smaller than 4. I guess there's a 3.75, but I guess we'll just have to figure that out once we get there. Alright, so it literally just fits, but the thing I have to do is just get a bigger band for this, because I'm guessing it's just that how thick this is, that the band that I have won't work. But yeah, I mean, as a temporary solution for something just to get an intake on the car, this will work fine. And we'll just get another clamp, throw the clamp on here, throw a clamp on there. If we do keep this setup, we'll just do some like gold tape on this, because I always like using the gold tape. And once we do that, it'll be ready to get tuned. Not 100% sure if a 3-inch intake is, if a 4-inch intake is too much for a 5.7 LS. It does look like the setups I do see, but I don't know if those setups are stock or if those are like super built. If not, it'll be fine. But because this throttle body is quite big anyway, so I believe it is a 4-inch like throttle body. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I will wait to conclude this video once we actually have the bands on, so it's actually sealed, and then we'll be able to actually hear what it sounds like. But till then, I'll get back to you guys. So we use the last of our gold heat reflective tape thingy on the intake. The part that has the least is going to go on the filter side, because that's where the least heat's going to be. The side that's double wrapped here is going to be by the throttle body, because that's where the most heat will be. We're going to get a little bit more of this, and we're going to use it. But yeah, for right now, this is good. So we're going to put this thing on and then start the car just to see like how it is, and shut it off and wait until it's time for us to get a tune. Boom, there we go. Recording with the flash is not too bad. So we're gonna move our hand so the screen doesn't look red. But yeah, this actually looks decent. Like, wow, that looks decent. So we got the clamps. Gonna just start the car up really quickly, see how it sounds. Maybe a rev or two, and then that's it. Because again, we don't need to run this thing any more than we already did until it gets tuned. So yeah. Pause. That's it. We're all set. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll get to you guys in the next one. Peace.